How to crossplay ARK PC and Xbox. Welcome back to Let Me Help, and let's start with this tutorial. Starting off, you need to launch your ARK in your PC. Now under full controller support, you will see this Xbox controller option that denotes it controls your controller. Also allows the cross-platform multiplayer. So as you can see, you'll be able to crossplay ARK PC and Xbox. There is unfortunately a limitation. The limitation is that you need to own your ARK, that is, you need to install your ARK via your Microsoft Store. This is for your PC. And this should not be the version from your Steam or Epic Games, but should be particularly from your Microsoft Store. Now once you have got your Microsoft Store version of your ARK, you'll be able to sign in to both of your Xbox and PC with the same Microsoft account. This acts as a bridge for crossplay. While not always mandatory, some servers might have a setting for crossplay as well. Check the server details if needed. Now once you have looked for your servers specifically labeled as crossplay, or check the official server list to find ones that support both Xbox and PC players. If not, just install one from your Microsoft Store. And that's a wrap for the video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.